Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around the health and wellness sphere, lemon water and its potential impact on weight loss. Now, I'm sure you've seen those bright yellow slices floating in glasses of water, but is it just a trendy gimmick, or is there some real science behind it? Let's find out. First things first, let's get one thing straight: lemon water is not a magical weight loss potion. Dietitians and experts agree that there's no solid evidence to suggest that adding a squeeze of lemon to your water will directly cause weight loss. However, that doesn't mean it's completely devoid of benefits. One of the key advantages of lemon water is its ability to enhance hydration. Not everyone is a fan of plain water, but adding a lemon can make it more appealing and encourage you to drink more. And hydration is crucial for our bodies. It facilitates nutrient transport, aids digestion, and keeps our energy levels up. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While lemon water itself may not be a weight loss miracle, it can indirectly support your weight loss journey. By swapping sugary drinks like soda or sweet tea for lemon water, you're cutting down on calories significantly. For example, replacing a 12-ounce soda with lemon water saves you a whopping 160 calories. But it doesn't stop there. Staying hydrated with lemon water might also help you consume fewer calories overall. Sometimes, we confuse thirst with hunger, so by drinking fluids that boost hydration, you might find yourself reaching for that snack less often. Additionally, the hydration boost from lemon water can give you an energy kick, motivating you to be more active. And as we all know, physical activity is a crucial component of any weight loss plan. Moving on, let's talk about the nutritional benefits of lemons. These little citrus fruits are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects our body's cells from damage. Vitamin C also supports our immune system and helps with collagen production. Lemon water has also been shown to improve digestion and insulin resistance, which can indirectly contribute to weight loss. And if you drink it warmed in the morning, it can even act as a gentle laxative, keeping things moving smoothly. Now, for those who are prone to kidney stones, lemon water might be a game changer. The citric acid content in lemons can help prevent kidney stones from forming, so it's a win-win situation. However, as with most things, there are some potential side effects to consider. Drinking too much lemon water can lead to weakened tooth enamel due to its acidity. So, it's important to be mindful of that and maybe consider using a straw or rinsing your mouth after drinking it. Another potential side effect is acid reflux, especially if you have a sensitive stomach. The high acidity of lemon juice might cause discomfort, so it's best to dilute it or reduce your intake if you experience any issues. So, what's the bottom line? Drinking 1 to 2 cups of lemon water daily is considered safe and healthy. It can be a refreshing addition to your routine, but it's not a magical detox solution. Remember, a balanced diet and overall well-being are key, so pair it with a variety of nutritious foods and beverages. If weight loss is your goal, experts suggest making small, consistent changes in 3 key areas: nutrition, physical activity, and behavior. Add some protein to your meals, go for a walk after work, and plan your meals in advance to make healthy choices easier. So, there you have it. Lemon water might not be the sole answer to your weight loss dreams, but it can certainly be a helpful and tasty addition to your journey. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and keep those lemons handy. I hope you found this insight helpful. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you and your body. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.